Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Yashika Mahajan. So I heard about you. So this is SR Thoughts, Mr. Roy's channels. So welcome you guys over the new podcaster channel from West Bengal and all over the Northeast India. So it is the first podcast channel basically, and our first speaker over this podcast channel is Yashika Mahajan, the world youngest motivational speaker at only the age of 15. That's great man. I like अब मुझे कुछ बोलने का भी नहीं है, मतलब आपने इतना कुछ अचीवमेंट 15 years में यार. Oh my God. So Yashika, today is all about your journey. Okay, so we are going to listen the Yashika's journey, how Yashika become Yashika Mahajan, how this girl is into the Google search button. You can just click on the Google search button, the Yashika Mahajan, and you can get this girl. So how this happens? She doesn't even active on the social media, man. I'm crazy. She is not active in the social media like Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is not active in the social media, but फिर भी दिल चाहता है. So Yashika, only 15 years of age, this much of successful levels, like you are in the World Book of Records, right?
Yes.
Okay, how man? How? So how this motivational journey starts?
Well, so it all started. मैं 4 साल की थी.
Okay.
तो जब 4 साल की थी तब मेरा एक गोल था मिस यूनिवर्स होने का.
My God, Miss Universe in the year of 4 only. Yeah. Okay.
हाँ, तो 4 साल की थी. And whenever you see Miss Universe, उन लोग बहुत बड़े स्टेज में होते हैं. जजेस लोग उनको क्वेश्चन पूछते ही रहते हैं और उनके सामने हजारों लोग रहते हैं और उन लोग आंसर करते हैं.
Okay.
So I had this fear of public speaking.
You had the fear of public speaking, but you were a motivational speaker. Then
Yes. So I was so shy that in every parents teachers meeting, the teachers would always complain, Yashika does not speak. We don't know if she understands anything or not. I only had one friend who I used to talk to very rarely. So you can imagine the level of shyness.
Yeah, definitely. This is true, man. This is true. But nowadays, everybody is into your mobiles and all the electronic gadgets. That's with us always in the mobile. So I think we are shy by ourselves, right? So how do you evaluate yourself, by the shyness or by becoming that butterfly from that जो उसको बोलता है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Caterpillar. Yeah. So for the caterpillar, so from the caterpillar to that butterfly is altogether is that removing all the shyness and all, I think, right?
Yeah, so let me get to that point. So I always wanted to get rid of this fear because or else how else would I speak on that stage?
Definitely.
So as I was thinking about how do I get rid of this fear, I was 10 years old at that time.
Okay.
And all of a sudden COVID came out of nowhere and lockdown and all. And so my dad told me that if you want to get rid of this fear, become a public speaker.
Okay, so your
My
dad
worst-
told. Okay. Yeah, definitely.
So he told me one thing, that if you want to solve a problem, create a bigger problem, right? So when I am tackling the problem of becoming a public speaker, shyness is a done deal.
Shyness is a done deal.
Yes.
So you don't shy anymore.
No, of course not.
Okay. So मतलब पापा ने एक दिन आके बोल दिया कि आपको बस अपना शाइनेस को एंड आप अपना शाइनेस को तोड़ दिए, ऐसे ही या
इतना
और
जल्दी नहीं हुआ.
इतना जल्दी नहीं हुआ. तो उसके बीच में शायद कुछ तो होगा, लाइक कुछ मोटिवेशनल का कुछ देखते थे या कुछ भी, मतलब आर्टिकल्स पढ़ना या अपने गैदरिंग्स पे जाना, फ्रेंड सर्कल बनाना, कुछ तो.
पहले तो मैंने हाँ बोल दिया क्योंकि पहले सिर्फ मम्मी और पापा थे, उनके सामने बक करना था.
बक करना था. ओके.
और वो तो
रोज ही कर लेते, उसमें शाय नहीं है.
नहीं.
ओके. हाँ, मम्मी पापा तो अपना ही है.
पापा छोटे से ही बोलते हैं घर पे शेर है बाहर आकर चूहा हो जाता है.
So, घर पे शेर है. क्रेजी मैन. ओके. सो ये वाला ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसे हुआ आपका? Taking action, what the action is, because action is everything. Okay, yeah, that is true. I do believe that action is everything. Being in action, being in a motivation, so you have to be in action. So what? Because there are so many things to do. Like everybody is into going to the schools. That requires action, right? 10 to 15 years, everybody is going to the schools only. So with this action you came to the Google, or there is something else?
It depends on what action you're doing, because when I get up in the morning, I brush my teeth. That is an action, but that's not going to get you anywhere.
That's not getting you anywhere, right? So what is the action? So what is the action you
So
take?
when जब COVID थोड़ा कम हो गया, so there's this place in Bangalore. I stay in Bangalore.
Okay.
So there's a street called Church Street.
Church Street, yeah, I heard about that.
तो उधर मैं weekend में जाती थी.
Okay.
And you'll find all the youngsters, you know, people in colleges, you know, they'll do some puppet shows, or they'll be dancing, playing their guitars.
So वहाँ पे लोग अपने आप ही ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं?
अपने आप ही करते हैं.
मतलब कोई भी आके किसी का मन मर्जी हुआ वो ऐसे करने लगा? भाई एकदम खुल्लम खुल्ला जगह है क्रिएटरों के लिए, जाओ वहाँ पे जाके कुछ भी क्रिएट कर डालो, तब जाके आपका
There are many people over there. They just they start their YouTube channel.
Okay.
There are many people.
There are many people?
Yeah.
My God, that's so nice.
So in the evenings we would go there. Everyone, you know, full मतलब dancing कर रहे हैं, puppet show कर रहे हैं. तो उधर बहुत crowd होता है. तो एक दिन उधर गई थी, पापा ने बोला वो crowd दिख रहा है ना, उधर जाकर तू speaking शुरू कर दे.
और आपने?
नहीं, मैंने बहुत ड्रामा किया.
आपने बहुत ड्रामा किया ना?
Because first time. I am shy speaking to that one
friend in this.
and so बहुत ड्रामा किया, बहुत रोई वगैरह वगैरह. And then I went there, finally caved in, and I started speaking.
Okay.
So at first I was nervous, I was shy, there was butterflies in my stomach. I kept repeating all the words again and again. But when I finished that speech, I noticed something. No one in the crowd was worried that I messed up all my lines. Everyone was cheering for me. Everyone was clapping for me.
Oh my God.
And it made me feel really good. And I thought that this is really nice. And somewhere in the back of my mind, I just thought, I was made for the stage.
Whoa, that's awesome. So you, back of the mind, you started telling yourself that you were meant for the stage, right?
Yes.
So आपके subconscious mind में हर वक्त ये चलता रहा कि आप, और subconscious mind में अगर जो चलता है वो तो दुनिया में दिखता है, right?
Yes.
So what's your thoughts about a subconscious mind? So आप subconscious mind के बारे में क्या सोचते हो?
So usually when we were small, our subconscious mind is wide open. So we don't have we don't really have a conscious mind. Our subconscious mind is wide open. So we have experiences from the past ever since we were small. So we had to get things done. Let's say we want a chocolate, right? And then we say that, so we know our name, Yashika. So I'm like, Yashika wants chocolate. So then your parents will say, no, you should not say Yashika wants chocolate. You should say, I want chocolate. And only then you get chocolate. And so, chocolate तो चाहिए.
Chocolate तो चाहिए.
इसलिए बोल देती हूँ कि I want chocolate. तो वो subconscious mind में घुस गया. So as we grow up, we have something in our subconscious mind called as paradigm. Now, a paradigm is information. It's all the habits we have.
Okay.
You are a product of your environment, right? In your conscious mind, you have the ability to think, and you can think whatever it is you want to think.
Okay.
Depending on the thoughts you think, your subconscious mind acts on that. Depending on the thoughts you think, that's the vibration your body is in. And you think X-type thoughts, and your body is in that X-type vibration, which will produce X-type results. So that is how your subconscious mind affects you.
Okay. Pause. So Yashika, you just mentioned that you still love chocolates?
Of course.
You still really love chocolates?
Of course.
Okay. Then do one thing you guys do. That do order chocolates from www.the. That is the whole new startup from my side. That the chocolates are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Blinkit, Zepto, and all over the pan India right now. The delivery is going on. Okay, so do order the chocolates from my side only. Okay, so Yashika, you have to order too.
I'll definitely do.
Okay, let it be. But yeah, the thing we are talking about the subconscious mind is directly related with the law of attraction, right?
Yes.
What we think, we become.
Yes.
Right. So this is the main zone of, I think, that today's generation must be concerned about, right? तो वो हर वक्त ये बोलता है कि मैं जॉब नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, फिर भी मैं अगले दिन सुबह उठ के जॉब में जाता हूँ. Right? So,
there is this amazing story that I had once heard.
Okay.
It's called
the bowl of rice.
Amazing story.
Okay.
So there were two people, I'll cut it in short. Two people, they hated their jobs. Hated it, right? And so they went to a really famous, a really wise person in their town. And they both told the wise person that, you know, we are really tired of our jobs. Should we go to another job or should we stay in this job? And so the really wise person, he closed his eyes for a few minutes, opened them and said, only a bowl of rice.
So for only a bowl of rice, that doesn't mean that ये सब बोलता है क्या कि एक कटोरी चावल के लिए तुम कर रहे हो, वो एक कटोरी चावल के लिए कर रहे हो, ये बोलना चाह रहा था.
Look, at the end of the day,
Anyway,
so at the end of the day, you only want that. You want a roof over your head. You want.
रोटी कपड़ा मकान.
So you want that. So and you're working only for that. So these two people, one of them changed his job. He went on to become a farmer. He became really successful. The other person stayed in that job. 5 years apart, the person who became a farmer, really amazing successful farmer, the person who stayed in that job went on to become
The regional manager. So
a really successful position.
दोनों ही सक्सेसफुल पोजीशन में ही है, right?
दोनों ही सक्सेसफुल पोजीशन में हैं। तो 5 साल बाद दोनों मिले, उसके बाद मिलकर बातचीत हुई और फिर जो फार्मर बना उसने पूछा मैं तो फार्मर बन गया, मुझे लगा कि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम तो सिर्फ क्या बोला था,
रोटी कपड़ा मकान.
हाँ, रोटी कपड़ा मकान.
हाँ.
रोटी कपड़ा मकान.
You are very confident with the English, but for the podcast channel, you must be. ये इंडियन podcast है भाई. मैं बाहर से नहीं हूँ यार.
हिंदी में तो बात कर.
लेकिन इंग्लिश में तो मतलब हम लोगों को जैसे हिंदी में फीलिंग होता है, तुमको इंग्लिश में वैसा फील होता है, राइट?
थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इजी.
हाँ, वैसे हम तो सुने हैं आपके बारे में कि वो ब्रिटिश सेनेटर वाला स्टोरी. आप तो ब्रिटिश सेनेटर का, वो क्या था एग्जैक्टली, वो क्या था?
तो वर्ल्ड बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड से मुझे इनवाइट किया था ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में. पर फिर पासपोर्ट और फिर ये फाइनेंशियल बहुत कुछ था तो जा नहीं.
तो ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में आपको किसने इनवाइट किया गया था?
वर्ल्ड बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड से इनवाइट किया था.
ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में?
हाँ.
To address the British senators on the age of last year.
13.
On the 13th. My God. And yeah, I feel jealous of you. Okay, I just heard about yourself that 5 साल से क्लास 5 से आई मीन 5 साल सॉरी क्लास 5 से क्लास 8 तक आपने पढ़ाई नहीं किया है.
नहीं किया.
तो क्या किया आपने? ड्रॉप आउट तो मतलब पढ़ाई कब छोड़ दिया था आपने?
मम्मी ने भी हाँ बोला कि ठीक है स्कूल छोड़ दो, तुम यही करो.
तो ऐसा क्या करने लगे भाई? बताओ, अभी की जनरेशन को बताओ, कुछ ऐसा भी है दुनिया में जो करने से स्कूल नहीं जाना पड़ता है?
तो कोविड जब आया तब तो मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कर रही थी. तब आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड मोटिवेशन. तब भी शुरू हुआ. तो मोटिवेशन शुरू किया. थोड़ा सा टाइम गया कि नहीं, टेस्ट आ गया, अब पढ़ने बैठो.
अरे तो मोटिवेशन स्पीकिंग गया बाहर में, पढ़ने बैठो. अच्छा?
टेस्ट आ रहा है. टेस्ट खत्म हुआ, ठीक है, टेस्ट खत्म हुआ, मोटिवेशन फिर से लाया. तो मोटिवेशन 3-4 दिन ठीक से कर लिया.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद देखती हूँ एग्जाम का सिलेबस फोन में.
वो तो है, वो तो सबको देखता रहता हूँ भाई. ये एकदम सेम सिनेरियो है सबका दुनिया में. मतलब साल में तो क्या 8 या 7 तो
तभी के लिए प्रॉब्लम था क्योंकि मेरा गोल मोटिवेशन.
ये चीज़ प्रॉब्लम है. आप सोचो एक चीज़, बहुत गौर से सोचो और गौर से देखो ये लड़की को कि ये वाला चीज़ इसके लिए प्रॉब्लम है कि एग्ज़ाम आ रहा है, और उसका घर पे लिए भी प्रॉब्लम है कि एग्ज़ाम आ रहा है. इसको ये करना प्रॉब्लम लगता था, उसको लगता था कि मोटिवेशनल स्पीकिंग पे जाना एट दैट टाइम इज़ द राइट डिसीजन. तो सोचो कि ये किया जा सकता है. गूगल में जाके सर्च करो, पहले में आता है इसका मतलब भाई. अच्छा, उसके बाद
तो फिर पापा ने बोला कि look, keeping your leg on 2 boats is very risky. You'll fall in the water.
डेफिनेटली. दो नाव में पैर रख के चलोगे तो एक में गिर जाओगे. तो ओके, तो
नहीं
आज स्कूल में चलेगा कि मैडम? कुछ भी चलेगा.
हाँ,
पढ़ाई करनी.
फाइनल एग्जाम के 2 हफ्ते पहले सब पढ़ाई हो गया, सिर्फ अब टेस्ट एग्जाम लिखना है.
Okay.
बोला कि एग्जाम छोड़ दो, पढ़ाई पढ़ लिया वो दिमाग में रख दो, नॉलेज है, ठीक है, छोड़ दो.
जाके फायदा नहीं है एग्जाम देने में.
नहीं, तब भी छोड़ दिया. उसी दिन छोड़ दिया.
एग्जाम भी देना भाई, घर का परमिशन में किसी को अगर एग्जाम नहीं देना पड़े और वो जाके इतना सक्सेसफुल हो जाए, तुम क्या करोगे यार? मतलब सक्सेसफुल और सक्सेस के पीछे भागो, तुम सक्सेस के पीछे भागो, एग्जाम तुमसे मतलब ऐसा ही निकल जाएगा, लाइफ से ही निकल जाएगा एग्जाम, सक्सेस के पीछे भागो। अच्छा चलो ग्रेट। तो आपने तो 5 से लेके ये डिसीजन जब लिए 8 तक,
तो सुबह उठी, ड्रेस पहनी, बाहर गई।
ओके
I barged in, straight away asked, who's the manager over here? Branch
my-
manager, regional manager, जो भी है मिला दो मुझे उससे।
straight into the company and you are asking for who is the MD over there and I will going to meet her.
हाँ।
My God, that needs a real courage in business. That needs guts, man. That needs guts, real guts. Okay, then
So so they're like, no, he's not there today. They give excuses, and then my dad taught me one technique. He's like, they will always say that he's not there, he's busy or something. Ask them, should I go left or right?
so your dad told you that कि कहाँ जाऊँ मैं? So कहीं ना कहीं तो वो मिल ही जाएगा क्योंकि उसको तो ऑफिस में आना ही है, वो तो बाहर नहीं जाएगा मोटिवेशनल स्पीकिंग
नहीं, और फिर वो जो रिसेप्शनिस्ट है बोलती है नहीं नहीं नहीं।
चलो ये रियल लाइफ सिनेरियो हो गया आपका। पहले दिन से 80-20 रेशियो या
हाँ।
90-10 या 97-3%,
ना-
95 and 5,
You will face more no's.
the 95% no and 5% only yes, right? और 1% पे ही कमाल करना,
हाँ।
ये बात तो
And you cannot, you can
10। सो आपने ये चीज को मतलब दिमाग में सबसे ना सुनना है मुझे, ना सुनते सुनते
I can't dwell on that. I can't think about that. Otherwise, I won't go forward. The person who wrote Harry Potter. Man, I love Harry Potter.
जॉनसन, अरे
It's fine. So she went to 13 publishers.
Atlee, no, not Atlee, she is a J.K. Rowling.
J.K. Rowling. She went to 13 publishers. 13 times people said no. By 5 or 6, I'll be like, by 8, 7 or 8, I'll be like, man, I don't think this is going to work out. Definitely by 10 or 11, I'll be looking to be a, motivational speaker or a student or something else. Right? 13 times someone said no. And now, Harry Potter. किसी
It's
को
a
पूछो,
world famous, yeah, right, that's great. So this is the book I heard that you have written.
yes, the 1% goal club.
1% goal club. Unlock your goal setting potential one goal at a time. So you believe that one goal at a time. My God, this whole book is written in the one sentence. That's a very good gist you have written. Must. So ये में अभी available है ये?
It is getting released. By
It
this
is
month, it
getting
will
released?
get released.
By this month?
हाँ.
Okay. So who is going to publish this? Like, who is the publisher of this? That's a secret. Okay. You no need to tell right now, but yeah, definitely we are getting this book, and there are so many interesting pictures. So why these cartoon pictures? These pictures are awesome, man.
Well, so it's
It's a management book.
हाँ, goal setting के बारे में. तो कैसे goal achieve? But then there are some of them, not all of them. I read many of them, many management books. They're really interesting, but some of them are just so boring. पढ़ने बैठते हो तो और मन नहीं करता पढ़ने के लिए, लगता है कि स्कूल का पढ़ाई इससे अच्छा है.
Exactly.
तो पिक्चर डाल दिया.
Great. So इसलिए पिक्चर डाल दिया. लेकिन ये पिक्चर्स कार्टून पिक्चर्स क्यों था? ये तो कुछ अलग से कुछ मोटिवेशनल फाइटिंग कर रहे हैं.
मैं बड़ी हूँ.
ओह आप तो बड़े नहीं हो, सॉरी. यू आर ओनली 15 years old. I forgot that. मुझे लग ही रहा था कि कोई 20 year ड्रॉप आउट. So dropouts like Jeff Bezos is the dropout, the Bill Gates is the dropout. I think that Facebook guy, who's name? Mark Zuckerberg, right?
Mark Zuckerberg.
Zuckerberg is also a dropout. Yeah, so these dropouts creates a history. So आपके पीछे ऐसा ही कुछ रीजन था ना? सच बताओ. पक्का किया होगा आपने पीछे ऐसा कुछ.
Reason तो.
ड्रॉप आउट.
Then what's stopping me? I have 2 legs, 2 eyes, a mouth. I have everything.
He has also the same, right?
Obviously,
He
yes.
has also the same. Yeah.
So there is nothing stopping you. And dropout, it depends on how people perceive it. There are 2 types of studies or education, whatever you call it. One is incremental studies. It's called academic studies. School में जाते हो, school में पढ़ाई करते हो, exam लिखते हो, then you go to the next class. You go to, if you're in 6th, you go to 7th. Right, so that's incremental studies. That's what most people do. So that's one kind of studies. Another thing is transformational studies. So instead of thinking that okay, Yashika is a dropout or whatever, how about thinking that I just went to a different school, which is more useful for me? People change schools, right? They go to better schools. I just went to a better one. And I'm not saying this because I think that, okay, academics it's not, nothing, it's not that I'm better than them or I'm showing that, okay, you should stop that, you should not, pursue it. Academics is important.
Academics is
Definitely important because you
knowledge.
need a base
To start is something.
Yes.
Yeah. So अभी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो?
अभी हाँ स्कूल शुरू किया.
तो मोटिवेशन बंद हो गया?
ना
चल रहा है?
मोटिवेशन
चल ही रहा है. Wow.
मोटिवेशन है स्कूल है. I give importance to both of them.
Okay.
So I had no tutor, 4 years, no school, nothing, and I scored 73 out of 80 in English.
कोई टीचर अच्छा कुछ किया होगा या?
नहीं, स्कूल का टीचर तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. मैं बहुत अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ.
हर जगह में थोड़ा बहुत जेलसी होगा आपसे, लेकिन वो चीज़ से आप उतना ज़्यादा आगे जाओगे. मालूम है, मैंने एक चीज़ देखा है, जो सब लोग जेलसी की वजह से मतलब दूसरे में ना, मतलब मान लो आज के दिन में तो फॉलोअर्स का जुग है. ये फॉलोअर्स चाहिए, हम लोगों को सब्सक्राइबर्स चाहिए. जो आपका नेगेटिव है ना, वो आपके बारे में सच में है, लेकिन जो है मतलब जो 95 है, जो आपने आपको ना बोला है कि हाँ 14 साल का लड़के, सो दीज आर द पर्सन्स बेसिकली आपके लाइफ में ना बहुत हेल्प करता है. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि फॉर ए मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर आपको कभी भी डाउट लगा होगा या कुछ भी लगा होगा रिगार्डिंग के आपके लाइफ में कुछ अटक रहा है इसके वजह से या वो खराब के वजह से, राइट?
नहीं, पहले तो थोड़ा बहुत because I'm not experienced with that. But now even at school there are haters. A couple of my classmates, they talk ridiculous things about me. Ridiculous. याशिका को देखो कैसे एक्सेंट में बात करती है. कितना बकवास एक्सेंट है, लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आता है. And I know that in the back of their mind they're actually jealous.
Jealous, right? They are. नहीं भाई, ये एक्सेंट को भाई है, मतलब ब्रिटिश सेनेटर ने जब कॉल किया है वो बहुत कुछ देके कॉल किया. So यशिका, so I think we are at the end almost. Okay. So I just want to ask you a few things that you just have to talk me about that few things. Okay. So what I found actually in yourself, that is a whole organic growth. The thing मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि ये सोशल मीडिया का टाइम है. सब जाके सोशल मीडिया पे ये पोस्ट, लेकिन आप तो एक भी नहीं करते. So that's a great thing. And so here is the time for a rapid fire round. Okay. The rapid fire round में इससे पूछने का कितना पूछ सकता हूँ मुझे पता नहीं, बट थोड़ा सा तो चलता है रैपिड फायर राउंड पॉडकास्ट में, राइट? सो उसके लिए थोड़ा सा पॉडकास्ट में रैपिड फायर राउंड. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इंस्पायर्ड यू द मोस्ट, जस्ट इन वन वर्ड?
My parents.
Your parents?
Yes.
Favorite subject?
History and English.
Within history and English, which one? History. Your biggest nightmare? Ghosts? Okay. So forests, rivers or mountains?
Forests.
Forests? Great. Favorite sports? Swimming. Great. Okay, so if you could meet any famous person, who it would be?
Robbins.
Okay, that's interesting. And the biggest stage of your life, what you dreamed of? Miss Universe?
Yes, Miss Universe.
You want to see yourself in a Miss Universe? That's a great thing. And Yashika, do you want to ask me something?
Yes.
Yeah, आप पूछो अलग से.
What's your favorite chocolate?
What's my favorite chocolate? Okay. So my favorite chocolate is dark chocolate with chia seeds and flax seeds.
Who's your dream guest in a podcast?
Dream guest is Shah Rukh Khan.
Books or movies?
Definitely books. I am a bookworm, you can say.
What is one habit that completely changed your life?
The habit just completely changed my life is being a morning person. I must suggest this generation to be a morning person. So that's for myself. Okay. And the thing I wanna ask you that you must address something to this young generations, to the youngsters who are right now in schools. Either you motivate them not to go to schools because everybody's parents is not like your parents, and either you can motivate them that what are the things basically they can do. Okay, so please address themselves.
So
Over the camera.
one message which I'd really like to tell to the youngsters and to India is, first, age is just a number. You know, age does not define you. If everything depend on age, then how would I become the youngest motivational speaker? How would I write my first corporate management book? Age is just a number. You can do all the things I've done, even at the age of 4. If you really want to do it, if you have the motivation, if you will not give up at any obstacles or barriers, age is just a number. So don't overthink it. If you're too young or if you're too old, you are at the exact right moment of your life and you need to start taking action. Another message is this, it's like a quote. India is fierce, India is unstoppable, and India wears heels too. And when I say heels, I literally mean heels. Alright? The women are unstoppable. You guys are amazing. Do your best. All the best.
So guys, on the same note, I think that India is a sleeping giant. The giant is going to rise, and the peoples like Yashika Mahajan take this place onwards to the world's greatest place, the world's most heaven in the earth is going to be the India. Okay, so on this note, we are going to end this podcast sessions and keep motivating, keep growing, keep going, keep taking actions, and keep following, subscribing my channel for this more motivational speakers, for the more podcasts, the YouTube for sale, you can say Mr. Roy Thoughts. Thank you so much, Yashika, for being
Thank
here.
you.
Thank you.